This is a 3-room large apartment in Pantai Hill Park, phase 1. As you can see, as you enter the house or property, there is a large lounge area here, fully furnished. And this is the dining area. So this apartment is available for rent in Pantai Hill. This is a matured neighborhood. Those staying in Bangsa, Pantai will be familiar with this location. Here, as this usual 3-room apartment has got 2 toilets. So what we see here on the left is normally the kitchen. The kitchen has fully cabineted cabinets, fridge, and also the wet area, washing machine, and also for cooking. So this is a normal kitchen, all equipped as it's always been tenanted. So the lounge, the dining area here, there's always when there are 2 rooms, there's always a toilet separate for the utility toilet. This toilet is fully tiled, well maintained, has a shower, hot water, sink, and then the 2 rooms. All these rooms are very large. As you see, you can put in a double bed, and the room is also aircon. This is on the low rise, so it's got the advantage that it is easily, you can walk up or use the lift. So all the rooms, being a corner unit, it's got, all the rooms have got their own separate windows, so make it very airy. And then here on the another room, which is also, you can put in a double bed. So this room has got a balcony, which here is a balcony. But before we go to the balcony, let me show you that there is also there are air condition, yeah, storage cabinet. So here we open up into the balcony, very large balcony, which you can use for your coffee and sit around and enjoy the sunlight. As you can see, this is a low rise, just 1 floor from the ground car park. So here you can even have very useful for entertaining, and for even putting up another place to relax. So the 2 doors to the balcony, and here we're going to show you now is the master bedroom. Also, you can see there is a very large double bed, you can including plus a writing area, lots of storage cabinet, built-in cupboards. Yes, there's also air condition and long bath, as these units are solid, built in the early 90s, which is providing long bath, large toilet, water sink, toilet. So this is the lounge. So this is available at Pantai Hill Park, phase 1, low rise area. Please contact me at 019 3340 487. Dominic from PropNext Realty for viewing. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.